Hi guys, it's Yianni from Yiannimize, and this is the premiere for Yianni Supercar Customiser Series 2. We're at the Mayfair Hotel. I've got friends, I've got family, I've got some celebs here, I've got all my staff here, I've got all the film crew, I've got everyone that worked on behind the scenes, I've even got some of the big bosses from UKTV, and we're going to enjoy a premiere. It's an amazing feeling. We've done Series 1, we've done massive numbers, so they gave us Series 2. Let's hope we smash it again, let's hope we get Series 3. I hope you enjoy this video. My car is in Birmingham for the Performance Car Show, so Lamborghini HRA very generously let me borrow their brand new roadsters.
Can't be like that, man. You don't eat food.
That's Andy who does the voice. Give him a quick rendition. Give him something. You've done enough episodes.
This time on Yiannimize.
Welcome. Just a few quick words. My name's Hilary, I work at UKTV, and on behalf of Luke, who runs the Dave channel, I just want to welcome everyone tonight. We're super excited about this new series of Yianni. Some of you were here this time last year. It felt like a pretty big moment, and actually, in TV terms, it's actually a bigger moment when you get to come back again, so that's all down to the success. Thank you to everyone at Yiannimize. We know we get in your way, we slow you down, you're trying to wrap cars, we're there filming you all day, every day. We really appreciate the fact that you work with us. You're so much fun, and Barcroft only ever have good things to say about you, which isn't always the case in TV, so that is really, really impressive. But most of all, a massive and huge thanks to lovely Yianni. Yianni, we love working with you. You are an absolute joy. I'm going to show you the start in a minute, and we're going to keep the episode.
That is Hilary, the boss of UKTV, yeah? So can you give a round of applause, please? I just want to thank, firstly, my staff. Because without my staff, there's no show. So please, my Yiannimize family, my staff. Week in, week out, they put it in, whether the TV cameras are there or not, and we're so busy down to them. So without them, honestly, there'll just be a car park and nothing's getting wrapped. My friends, my family that support me all the time, you guys are amazing. I never forget the support you guys give me. Zav always says, celebrate your friends. And I'm a big believer in that as well now. Two special mentions. One is Peter. Without Peter, we'd have never had Series 1. So Peter, thank you. There's a guy that puts it all together. He's called the series producer. Without him, the show doesn't happen. And I don't usually do this. I've got my missus here, Steph, and I love her. So, I'll say, I don't care. I'm man enough to say it, man. I'm man enough to say it. They say when you meet your soulmate, you know. I'm that guy that used to laugh at people. And last but not least, the two most important people in the room, my parents. Last year, my gran passed away, and it was my dad's 70th birthday, and we had to cancel his party because we couldn't do it. My dad's birthday is on the 14th of January, it's in a few days' time. So, Dad, I've got you a cake, and I want you to all join me in wishing him a happy birthday and singing the song, please. Dad.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Andy or Dad. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, yeah? So I held it together. I'm really pleased. So, shall we just get the show on? Episode 1 is David Hay, and episode 2 is Anish. Guys, thank you so much. God bless you. I love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That was hard.
Mayfair Hotel, the heart of London. It's unreal to have something like this.
I was excited all day. The place is amazing.
It's incredible.
The screen is just wow.
I'd happily watch it at the Yiannimize unit on our TV screen, just all huddled around the screen. But they've seen something in us and they've decided to give us a little bit of a reward, I guess, by being here, so it's nice.
Series 2, listen, I didn't think I was going to get Series 1, let alone come back for Series 2. And it's done massive numbers first time round, so I hope it does the same second time round. And if that happens, then we'll get Series 3.
It's just bigger and better. The guys have done an amazing job, and it looks really, really good. So I'm excited to see the next 18 episodes.
It was a lot bigger. There was a lot more people.
To have his mum here and his dad here, I know how much that means to him. And for him to have the love of his life as well, which is just so dope.
Extremely proud. He's a lovely guy. He's a lovely son.
Yeah, he's always been.
He's always been good since he was little.
So proud. It was honestly, it was amazing. Like, Series 1 was great, but I think Series 2 is just...
Smashing it.
It's going to smash it. It's going to smash it. And Anisha's is one of the best, well, I think, personally, it's one of my favourites.
You saw ourselves in the big screen. Bigger the better.
Yeah, that's it.
So
bigger, better. Seeing myself on TV was just like so weird. I think I sound so much more like posh on TV.
You are posh. You are posh. Come on.
It's weird seeing myself on TV though.
In season 1, I had a bit of drama. I had a fight with the CD and had a rash. Now series 2, I'm not in it as much.
It's weird. Obviously we see ourselves sometimes on YouTube and stuff, but yeah, this is a different ballgame.
When I was watching season 1, the rap job obviously didn't even exist, and the fact that I'm within the Yiannimize team now and actually working for Yianni is just insane.
In the membrane.
Insane in the brain.
Yeah, this year is going to be massive for us. I can feel it. We've had thousands and thousands and thousands of cars. The team that we've got now, I'm guaranteeing saying this is no one's going to touch us. We're a big family now. We all get along.
Series 2 was better because I was in it, I think. But no, compared to Series 1, changing it up without just collecting the car, like on this episode, collecting the car at track was something a little bit different, seeing the car, so that was cool.
The Porsche was fun. Honestly, the Porsche was fun. I love my Lambo. You put my Lambo on a road, I don't want to drive the Porsche. But you go on a track, get rid of my Lambo, I want to drive that Porsche. It just pulls through the revs, handling's amazing, sounds great. And I'm not saying the Lambo doesn't do that, but the Porsche just felt a little bit special on that track, and I really enjoyed it. You could see from my face, like I couldn't take the grin off my face, and Anish was like, Jan, do your thing, go nuts. And that was cool with him, because obviously that's his car. And he was like, go nuts on the track, do your thing. And as you saw, I did.
Always into cars since he was 6 years old. I remember the first poster he brought at home was the picture of a Lamborghini. And word of honor, he told me, Mom, when I grow up, I'm going to buy one. I laughed and I said, yes, when I win the lottery, I'll get you one. But true to his word, his dream came true, and I'm very happy for him.
A young boy would know every car. In the roads would show him. He'd know which car.
Every single car he bought, he would change the wheels, he would change the steering wheel, he would change the color. His cars were always spotless, to a point that I said, I wish you keep your room the same way, like you keep your cars. And every car he was selling, his best friend would always buy, because he knew it would be in absolutely mint condition. He was car mad from the time that he was very, very little.
How him and Bert are in the office, it's weird because the way they are on screen is exactly how they are in the office, and it's fun to watch.
What do you think?
Yeah, listen, we were part of that.
I thought it was great.
With the private jet with Enrique.
I thought you came out with it.
I did have a cameo role.
I did see that.
Yeah, I like that.
I got a speaking part in
I actually signed an autograph earlier.
Did you really?
Yeah, I did.
It just felt like a proper family affair. Obviously with the whole Yiannimize family being here as well, it just felt like a good environment. No drama, no angst, no hate, no battling. It's just a whole bunch of love and appreciation.
I'm very proud of you and everything that you've achieved, because obviously I know from a young age this is what you wanted, and I'm just so happy it's worked out like this for you.
I love you a long time, he knows that.
Yeah, known Jan for a very long time. Really happy to kind of be on board and be part of the Yiannimize family.
He's the best boss. And to those people who saying he's not a good person, trust me, if you know him...
Yeah, don't listen to the haters, listen to the people who know him well. Been a real win-win, and it's been a pleasure to work with them and work with his team, because the Yiannimize family are extraordinary.
Yeah, I mean, obviously Series 3 is going to come, innit? Because it's such an entertaining show. It's brilliant.
I reckon season 3, 4 and 5 are on their way.
Fantastic.
And it's nice to see Yianni smile.
Yeah. We should get in this game, you know.
We should do.
I think we could.
Thank you.
What we call ourselves?
That's it.
Yeah,
thank you.
We give him our blessings, our very best wishes from the bottom of our hearts, and wish him every happiness. He deserves it.
And he always looks after us, always.
Not only after us,
Everybody
he
else,
looks
mate.
after a lot of people.
It's about being happy, being healthy, enjoying time with my kids and my family. I'm a family man. And yeah, and Yiannimize and the staff are my family, and I love them.
That's why you're the king, bro.